Okay, this is a Latin America. Who do I hand this to? Oh, there you go. Latin America. This is a Latin American one. So, El Cucuy. El Cucuy.
Sí, amigos míos. Monstruos are real.
This one was our favorite ride last year. This is part 2 of it. The El Cucuy here. Oh, I think it's the same. Might be the same. Has mummies and stuff like that. We're just discovering all these things. Oh, this is Zorro. Oh, El Charro. El Charro. That's what it is. El Charro.
I would give anything for this.
I missed it. El Charro.
You desire riches beyond measure.
There's that stuff here.
My place.
Oh! Oh! It's the guy from Coco. Oh! It's the guy from Coco, man. He's a werewolf. It's a werewolf. Right? Oh, that was the regular usher guy. Okay. Now we're gonna... This is kind of scary, but we got it. Just going through. Another werewolf over here. Red eyes. Another werewolf over here. It smells like bad breath in here. Another werewolf. It smells like... Oh yeah, it smells like bad breath of a guy who's been talking all night, yelling into a microphone. Oh! That's El Cucuy! El Cucuy over there.
Cucuy, the father of nightmares.
El Cucuy, oh, he's up there. Fee-fi-fo-fum. Oh, that's...
El Cucuy, the father of nightmares.
That's how the Cucuy looks like?
Duérmete ya, que viene el Cucuy
Dang.
y te comerá. Sleep, child.
Oh man. Oh, horses. Uh-oh. This is the horse one. There's like, I don't know if that's breathing holes or that's like part of the story with the horses. Oh man. Okay, we're just going through the room. Oh, they bagged up the kids in there. The kid is in the corner. They bagged it all up. And then you can see there's stuff on the wheel. Oh my god, there's an elf. That looks like the Dark Crystal elf. Oh, there's a cave now. And doll toys. It's like the Isle of the Muñeca.
Never return.
Oh, this is pretty crazy. I think it's very similar to last year. Oh, dolls. Muñecas. Pumpkin spice latte. Oh! What is that? That was amazing. Oh my goodness. I don't know where to go. Oh, here you go. I see it says death. Oh! That is death. Oh, these are heavy. Is that it? Is that it? Oh man, that was crazy. That one was the best one. I think that was the best one. It's the folklore and everything. Oh man, I feel like there's like... I'm getting scared by regular people walking around. Oh, they're trapping them in the back. Oh, oh, jeez. They're trapped. That's the best. But it's Aquaman, the shape of water. That's the best. They're so scared. They're running away. They're chasing him. They're gonna chase him. Watch, they're gonna chase him right here. They're gonna chase him right here. They're chasing those. If you scream and shout a lot, they're gonna chase you like these guys.